Hello from the Millcroft Inn Spa. I'm so excited to be here. I've really been looking to escape the city and do a weekend getaway. Here I am, so let's kick things off. What I love about the Millcroft Inn Spa is that it's located in Alton, Ontario, an hour or so drive just outside the city of Toronto. And look where you are, one with nature, literally. Personally, I can't help but feel relaxed and centered when I'm on a getaway like this. Speaking of relaxation, let's head on over to the spa. How beautiful is this? And huge too, right? There are 17 treatment rooms. And the hardest part about coming to the spa, if you can believe it, is choosing a treatment because there are so many. They do everything from pedicures to body wraps, chakra treatments, and today I'm trying out the Oxy with facial. One of the reasons I chose Millcroft Inn Spa was for the pools. Look at this view. It's a hidden oasis in the forest. So these are hydrotherapy pools available all year round, including during our cold Canadian winters. I love these because they really help speed up my muscle recovery from working out. This is 5 degrees Celsius right now. Here we go. It hurts so good. Let's check out the guest rooms. There are 3 different types of accommodations at the Millcroft Inn: the main mill, the Manor House, or the Croft Room. These are actually historical buildings. The main mill is a former knitting mill, and the Manor House was originally the family residence for Mr. Benjamin Ward, founder of the Alton Knitting Mill. This is the Croft Room. Okay, I'm really excited to have dinner at Headwaters. I've heard amazing things. Come take a look at this. So the philosophy here is farm to table. Can't wait to dive into this. Nothing tastes better than fresh local ingredients. Always order dessert, not only because it looks like artwork, but because it makes for the perfect Instagram shot. And it tastes just as good as it looks. I mentioned nature earlier, and there are many ways to take it in here at the Millcroft. With over 7 kilometers of trails, you're bound to see incredible views, and there are numerous activities to enjoy. This has to be my favorite activity. Right here on the terrace, enjoying a martini, the view. Come on, it's heaven. Gosh, this getaway has been incredible. Is it too soon to come back next weekend? I don't think so. If you're looking for an amazing country retreat, look no further than Millcroft Inn Spa.